Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the Zappos working discount promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on Zappos.com, the official website, where you can find that the upcoming discount or deals or the sale on Zappos. So you can stay updated with Zappos, and you can find a sale page where you can find all the sale from here, like all men's sale here. So you can find some discounts also, like 30% off, 10% off, 20% off, then 10% off also, 55% off. Now from here you can find the code here, that coupon follow. So this coupon follow, where you can go to the couponfollow.com/slide/zappos.com, and from here you can find most updated codes here. So you can find a Zappos promo code, get 35% off your order. So you can find this show promo code. Simply click on it, and this will reveal your code. Simply click on copy to copy this code and paste it whenever you're going to purchase it in this promo code section. Now the second website is simplycourse.com/store/zappos.com, and you can find this page where you can also find some working coupon code or promo code, but currently they are not running any promotional campaign. That's why it can't collect the verified code, but there is some not verified code that you can use it by chance if it's worked for you. Simply click on view code, and you can find the code. Simply click on copy, and you can use it in the Zappos. Now the third website is Marie Claire. So marieclaire.com/coupon/zappos.com. If you follow this URL, you can find this page where you can also find some discount link embedded with this button here. So simply click on get discount, and it will redirect you to the discount page. Here you can see you have to wait, and here you can find some prices here, so you can purchase it with some discounts. So that's how you can just get it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.